For 23, they want us to find the output from this function machine. And then it says if there's no possible output, explain why not. So the 1 is going in. So the function is f of x equals x over x minus 1. And they want us to find f of 1, right? So I'm going to put a 1 in there, 1 minus 1. So f of 1 comes out to be 1 over 0. And in mathematics, dividing by 0 is undefined, right? So this f of 1 is undefined, right, in mathematics. And it says explain why not. And the reason, so there is no possible output, right? Because the denominator of the rule becomes 0, and 0 in the denominator is undefined. That's a good explanation.